Welcome to the wonderful world of Korean Lash Lifts. Thank you for enrolling in this Lash Lash course. We are super pleased you're here. The advanced technique of Korean Lash Lifts originated in South Korea. Bet you couldn't have worked that out. It is known for its ability to lift and enhance natural eyelashes without the use of glue. Hence, it's also known as the glueless lash lift. This method aims to achieve a more natural, long-lasting lift, which is gentler in the processing steps than the traditional lash lifting techniques. By the end of this course, you will not only completely understand the science behind this advanced technique, but you'll also be a pro in your delivery of it. Lash Lash have been delivering beauty-related courses for over a decade now, and one thing we've noticed numerous times is that if a student really understands why things work, like the science, then they are more capable in their ability to control their beauty service, fix problems which arise, and come up with solutions and new ways to do things. Hence, why we like to teach you the science of beauty treatments, but in a simple and easy to understand way. We want you to be an amazing technician. Lash Lash's purpose is to help create and expand successful salons. We achieve this through education and supplying high-quality products within the beauty industry. We're always here to just help, so please reach out if you need anything at all. Upon signing up for this course, you would have been assigned a real-life trainer who is there to help you through anything and everything you may need. Call or text or email anytime. You also have lifetime access to this course, so you can come back and refer to it whenever you feel like.
Welcome, you beautiful thing, to the Lash Lash Korean Lash Lift course. My name is Derek. You may know me from such films as the Body Contour course or Complete Lash Artistry. And here I am going to walk you through the Korean Lash Lift course. Now, Korean Lash Lift can also be called glueless lash lift, but we're calling it Korean Lash Lift just because we really like it. Anyway, so not only are we going to be talking about how to do Korean Lash Lift, we're also going to dig into the science. We know that the more you know about how something works, the reason it works, and all of that, if you run into problems or you want to change or modify your procedure a little bit, you understand the science behind it. You can make educated decisions on what to do. So the more you know about something, the better it is for you to control it. So that's why we don't focus on opinion, but we really dig into the science and we share it with you, hopefully not too boring of a way. By the end of this course, we know that you're going to be confident in how to do a Korean lash lift on every single client that you have. Hands down, guaranteed.
With a traditional lash lift, the steps are: prep the lashes, apply gel pads and shield, glue the lashes to the shield, apply step 1, process and remove, apply step 2, process and remove, optional, apply tint, process and remove the shield, apply step 3, process and remove. Average application time, 45 to 60 minutes. With a Korean lash lift, the steps are: prep the lashes, apply the gel pads, mix glueless glue powder and step 1 together, apply by brushing down onto the gel pads, process and remove, choose the right size shield and apply, mix glueless glue powder and step 2 together, apply onto the lash shield, process and remove. Optional, apply tint, process and remove shield, apply step 3, process and remove. Average application time, 30 to 45 minutes. One of the major differences is that you are not using traditional lift glue at all in your Korean lift process. Instead, you're mixing glueless powder with your steps. This has various advantages, but the main one being that the traditional lift glue can act as a barrier between your step 1, step 2, and the natural lashes, resulting in over or under processing, steps not being as effective and potential damage to the natural lashes. There are a few other differences and pros and cons, which we will go over later in this course. So have fun in this Korean Lash Lift course. We look forward to seeing your amazing lifts. Tag us on the socials. Remember, if you ever need any additional assistance, even after you've graduated from this course, we're always here to help. Also, just to remind you that if you refer anyone to any of the Lock Slash courses, you get rewarded with up to $100 worth of free products of your choice. Simply go to our website and type in Refer a Friend in the search bar for more information.